Every year, 20 square kilometer newly accredited coastal char land formed as virgin territory where service deliveries of GOB agencies are rarely present. As a result, char used to reign over by so-called Joddars and Bahinis who provide temporary shelters to poor people in lieu of illegal money. Besides, Chor dwellers are mostly affected by river erosion, cyclones, drainage congestion, waterlogging, salinity intrusion, and deteriorating ecosystem and climate change. To bring the newly accredited chor lands under human settlement, together with productive development, the government launched a project named Chor Development and Settlement Project 1 in 1994 with grant support from government of the Netherlands. Since then, CDSP has been continued with next three phases: CDSP 2, CDSP 3, and CDSP 4. After successful completion of CDSP-4 in July 2019, CDSP BAF has been initiated with an additional loan funding from IFAD and a grant support fund from the government of the Kingdom of Netherlands. Due to participation of GOB agencies, including four other NGOs, CDSP become an well-accepted model of integrated chore development where land settlement becomes a great means of human settlement and livelihood for landless and poor chore dwellers. Ultimate aim of land settlement component was to provide hereto landless households with a permanent titles or khatians on the newly accredited coastal shores. The land titles or khatians are produced from a computer-based land records and management system LRMS set up by CDSP. CDSP has completed of its four phases when a total of 34,251 land titles or khatians having 44,526 acres of government caste land distributed. Per capita land becomes 1.3 acres or 0.53 hectare. Land titles are distributed formally and ceremonially in project areas. A number of international and national VIP delegates have physically enjoyed land title distribution ceremony. According to government policy, each Khotian is handed over to the landless family, husband and wife, each with 50% equal ownership, ensuring wife's name in the first. In case of widow or destitute women, 100% in their names. This instance has beside project with the help of four partner NGOs has organized many farm and non-farm IGI training exclusively for women beneficiaries. Training includes poultry and livestock rearing, fish culture, plant nursery, tailoring, capturing. Besides, project ensured safe water and hygienic latrine for all. Before CDSP, women used to collect safe water from a distance of 382 meters, but now they collect from an average distance of only 50 meters. As a result, women can provide more time and energy to their families. In 2017, if it's a gendered word, 2017 has been given to CDSP for promoting gender equality and women's empowerment. Providing land titles directly to landless poor char dwellers contributes to the main objective of CDSP, improving the livelihoods of settlers in coastal shore areas. It considerably becomes the asset base of households, the legal security that the document gives to the settlers really stimulates them to invest in their newly titled land, which have a positive impact on the structure of their housing, improved agriculture production, and livelihood capitals. Being borrowers, the social status of the households have enhanced. During CDSP period, a total of 28,239 women individuals have borrowed US dollar 23 million from four partner NGOs without any collateral. It is found from impact studies that shore dwellers are developing their land partly for nice homes, ponds for fish culture, cultivable land, shorten plots for fish come vegetable. Women are investing part of their loans into income generating activities like poultry and livestock rearing, agri implements like water pumps, power tiller, mechanized paddy threshers, light and heavy duty paddy threshers, Mumbai machine. Due to settlement by providing permanent titles and khatians, both government and NGO agencies are successfully providing their services in coastal chores. As a result, an unprotected and poorly productive chore lands have become highly productive lands.